Hi! We're making easy, simple, and delicious fried rice today. Add some oil in your pan. I cooked bacon earlier, so I'm using the leftover grease, which make it taste so much better. Scrambled eggs, break the eggs into small pieces as little as possible because you want it combined with the rice. Add your rice, and make sure your rice is not too soft. Keep stirring and separating the rice. Add some soy sauce. Keep separating the rice. Add star anise. Salt? That's it! Simple but really delicious. Try it for yourself and let me know how did it go. Before you go, please like and subscribe. Thank you!